Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Sean Talks. If you like our channel, please subscribe. Now we are talking about the new phone that is Jio Phone 2. That's very nice phone. So let's open the box. See, it is packed in the first box and see there is written Jio Life. It is powered by Jio.com. So now let us open the box. See now the box of Jio Phone 2. It is laminated. See it is so many keyboards on the phone. Now we should see what is written on the back side. See, these are the future of the Jio phone, and in this we can use WhatsApp and Facebook also. There we can external storage of 32 GB, and there are so many apps also. So let's open the box. Now we are removing the lamination and let us open the box. See, that's the Jio phone too. It's very nice. It is of black color. The screen is of 2 inches, and here are so many types of keyboards like an Android phone. See, from back there is also one camera and speaker, and there is torch also. It is powered by Life company. So now see what are other things in the box. These are the apps that are in the phone, for example Geo. So in the box we have got one adapter, user guides, Geo phone user guides, and other security features. This is first battery. The battery is not inserted in the phone. We will insert it later. There is one charger with the USB cable attached. It is of megawatts. Now let us insert the battery. I am inserted the battery. See that it is shows 540 am because I have not inserted the SIM and the SIM has not activated yet. The phone is nice. Now see let what are the features of the phone. It has so many features. So let us open the menu. It is a bit difficult to use. See inside there is on battery, and we can insert the only Jio SIM and external SD card. See there are the menus in apps. There are so many apps. There is one app store also. See the quality of the camera. The rear camera is nice. See the quality of the image. Now let's move further. See the quality of front camera. Now we can move to other apps. See there is an option of message also. So we go to new message. See it is very easy to type the message and we can type anything. My hands are so big, so that's why press two buttons at a time, so it is taking time to write me, but it is easy to use the phone. These are the features of the phone. So thanks. If you like the video, so please comment and how you like the phone, please, and so please subscribe.